PDF submission in SEO Tutorials 2025 YN Tech Global Technology. Hey everyone, it's your name here with YN Tech Global Technology. Today we're diving into a tactic that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful, PDF submission in SEO. We're going to break down why PDF submission is so effective, how it can boost your website's rankings, drive more traffic, and help you grow your business. Whether you're just starting with SEO or you're a seasoned pro, this video has something for you. So grab your notepad and let's dive into the world of PDF submission in SEO. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is PDF submission in SEO? It's all about creating high-quality PDF documents. Think ebooks, white papers, case studies, industry reports, anything valuable for your audience. Once you've got your awesome PDF content ready, submit it to popular document sharing platforms like SlideShare, Scribd, and academia.edu. Within your PDF, you'll strategically include links back to your website. These backlinks are like little votes of confidence that tell Google your website is credible and authoritative. Google can easily crawl and index the text within PDFs, just like a regular web page. This means more opportunities for your content to rank in search results and drive traffic back to your site. You're providing genuinely valuable content to your audience while simultaneously boosting your SEO efforts. Now that you understand the what of PDF submission, let's dig into the why. Why should you seriously consider making this a part of your SEO strategy? First up, let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are like street cred for your website in the eyes of search engines. When you get a backlink from a reputable website, it's a strong signal to Google that your website is trustworthy and worth ranking higher. PDF submission opens up a world of backlink opportunities. High domain authority platforms like SlideShare or Scribd are constantly crawled by Google. Getting your content featured on these sites can send some serious link juice your way. You're tapping into the existing audiences of these massive document sharing platforms. And because search engines can easily crawl and index the text within your PDFs, you're increasing the chances of your content ranking for relevant keywords. Consistently uploading well-designed, informative PDFs that are aligned with your brand can do wonders for establishing your brand as a thought leader in your industry. PDF submission is a powerful tool for building brand authority and trust. All right, now that you're convinced about the power of PDF submission, let's walk through how to do it right. Step 1, it all starts with creating top-notch content. Your PDF should offer something truly valuable to your audience. Think in-depth guides, insightful case studies, original research reports, or anything that provides practical value. Once you've got the content down, make sure it's well-structured and engaging. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and visuals to make it easy to read and digest. Step 2, before you hit upload, it's time to optimize your PDF file. Start with your file name. Instead of a generic name like document123.pdf, use descriptive, keyword-rich file names like SEO-tutorial-2025.pdf. Next up, optimize the meta information within your PDF. This includes adding a title, author name, subject, and keywords. You can easily find these fields within the properties section of your PDF document. And of course, don't forget to include clickable links. Add links to your website, relevant blog posts, landing pages, anywhere you want to drive traffic. Step 3, choose the right platforms. Do your research and select high-authority platforms that are relevant to your industry or niche. Some popular options include SlideShare, Scribd, Issue, and even Google Drive. When uploading to Google Drive, be sure to set the visibility to public so Google can crawl and index it. Step 4, promote. Share it on your social media channels, embed it in relevant blog posts, and include it in your email marketing campaigns. Now, before you jump into the world of PDF submission, let's cover some common pitfalls you'll want to avoid. Pitfall number 1, keyword stuffing. Resist the urge to cram keywords into your PDF just for the sake of SEO. Google is smarter than that, and it'll actually harm your rankings more than it helps. Instead, focus on writing naturally and organically, incorporating relevant keywords where they make sense. Pitfall number 2, neglecting content quality. PDF submission for SEO isn't about churning out low-quality content just for the sake of backlinks. It's about providing genuine value to your audience. Think of it this way. Would you share a poorly written, unhelpful PDF with your own network? Probably not. So why would you expect your audience to do the same? Pitfall number 3, broken links. Double check, and I mean triple check all the links in your PDF before you upload it. Broken links lead to a bad user experience, and that's the last thing you want. Pitfall number 4, ignoring file size. People are impatient. If your PDF takes forever to load, chances are they're going to bounce before they even read a word. Optimize your images, compress your files, and keep things as lightweight as possible. There you have it, 4 common PDF submission pitfalls to avoid. Steer clear of these mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to SEO success. So there you have it. PDF submission, a simple yet powerful strategy that deserves a prime spot in your SEO toolkit. By creating valuable content, optimizing your PDFs for search engines, and promoting them effectively, you can unlock a wave of organic traffic, build your brand's authority, and achieve those top rankings you've been aiming for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YN Tech Global Technology channel for more actionable SEO tips and strategies. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep crushing it in the digital world.